Hey everyone, today we are going to solve the LeetCode question, find the greatest common divisor of array. Okay, let's jump into the code directly. So first solution is Euclid's algorithm. So I don't explain this. So this is a very famous, so you can go online and check later. So A and B and max and nums and min and nums. And then while B and A and B equal B and A percent B, and then return A. Yeah, so let me submit it. Yeah, looks good. And the time complexity of this solution should be order of n plus log max nums. And the space is, I think, 1. Yeah, so let's go to the next solution. Okay, next algorithm is actually inefficient, but it's a good idea to have multiple solutions for coding interviews. So let's begin. First of all, we sort input array nums dot sort, and then take a smallest number and the biggest number. So nums and 0, and the biggest should be last number, nums minus 1. And then let's iterate through one by one for I in range. So we iterate through from the end. So biggest and 1 and minus 1. Oops, minus 1. And then in each iteration, we divide smallest and the biggest number with current index. So if biggest divide I equal 0, so we check remainder, and if biggest divide current index equals 0 and smallest divide I equal 0. So if both results are 0, in the case return current index, and if we don't find this condition, so in that case just return 1. Yeah, so let me submit it. Yeah, looks good. And the time complexity of this solution should be order of n log n, and the space is order of sort. It depends on the language you use. I think in Python, sort algorithm use like team sort. I think team sort needs on space. Yeah, so that's all I have for today. Please support me with the actions such as comment and hitting like button. I'll see you in the next question.